Hotspots for tourism in West Texas are also becoming hotspots for COVID-19 infection. Maggie Glynn reports on how locals are blaming visitors for the recent spike in cases and how they're trying to protect their communities.
People are sick of staying in their house, so they're like, oh, there's a national park, 5 hours away. So let's head out to get some fresh air. But
Kate Calder has noticed an influx in tourists recently at her store in Marfa. She says businesses are grappling with increased COVID-19 cases in the towns surrounding Big Bend National Park.
it's the double-edged sword.
The small towns depend on tourism, but some visitors don't follow prevention protocol.
People do not realize we do not have medical facilities that big metropolitan cities have to take on this.
And the closest hospitals, 3 hours away in Midland, Odessa, are strained.
We've been put in a situation where now we have to tell them, I need you to hang on to your patients a little bit longer than what we would have 8 months ago. So it's very difficult to not be able to help them as much as we were helping them.
Now, backlash against tourists is growing.
We even have said that before the pandemic. It's the careless tourists that come out here, during wildfire season and want a campfire.
I saw a poster when I was walking my dog the other morning that said tourism kills.
With no lockdowns in sight and more visitors expected around Christmas, locals just hope for the best.
But I just hope people are quarantining and getting healthy and getting a negative test, and we can get these numbers down as soon as possible.
Maggie Glynn for State of Texas.
The counties surrounding Big Bend National Park have nearly 700 active COVID-19 cases. That may not sound like a lot until you look at the population. Per capita, the rates in Brewster and Presidio counties are comparable to the COVID rate in El Paso County. That is the worst hotspot in Texas right now. COVID-19 takes a toll on the Texas economy, but find out why the impact on the state budget might not be as bad as first feared. Billions of dollars in relief funds unused, with a looming deadline to spend the money.
There are more people who need assistance.
We look closer at plans to get the funds out quickly to Texans in need. Thousands of underage Texans are behind bars, how some advocates are looking for new ways and new funding to improve their support system.